Hello guys, today recipe very easy. We will make the eggs with the peas. So now we take 5-6 spring onion, some part of the green part we can throw away, the other we will cut very small, in small slices. After we put a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in the pot. We put the onion, you stir very well, keep attention not to burn the onion, the spring onion. After we add the peas and 1 glass of hot water with 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon of salt. Be careful. We cover, sometimes we stir, we check when the peas are ready, are cooked. We can make a small hole in the pot between the peas and we can put the egg inside. And now it's up to you. If you want the egg well cooked, you keep a few minutes on the stove and cover with the lid. If not, you wait maybe 1 minute, the egg will be ready. Pinch of pepper. Some people put also a little bit of parmesan, it's up to you. And after you can taste it. So see you later for the taste. Spectacular. Remember to put some slices of bread before you need to toast it. The bread. In this way, when you cut the egg, all the yellow of the egg will go on the bread. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like and to watch all the other videos. If you have some requests, some suggestions, please let me know down in the comment. Bye bye.